Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we'll be exploring the new series of Midea InfiniWash technology. Midea washing machines are equipped with InfiniWash technology that retains the newness of your wardrobe while keeping them fresh. You can trust InfiniWash technology to gently clean your new and delicate clothes without damaging their texture, even after frequent washing. It's just a spa-like feeling for your clothes. We are going to unveil the key features of this latest innovation, which comes in 8.5 kg load. The rich clean function in InfiniWash technology varies the speed of washing every 9 minutes from 60 rpm to 200 rpm for effective cleaning. With this variation of speed, the detergent effectively gets time to absorb, clean and hence remove every dirt particle. In lower speed, the hand action of washing is replicated and detergent penetrates into the fabric pores to remove stubborn stains and dirt, while ensuring care for your clothes. In higher washing speed, the stubborn dirt is removed entirely. While the jet spray ensures uniform washing, the rotating current of the water detangles the clothes. The Infinite Crystal cut drum with smaller infinite pores and 2,196 spray holes cleans and scrubs your clothes gently with care. Designed keeping care in mind, the unique S-shaped ribs minimizes friction to ensure your clothes are fresh and soft to wear. This drum provides a cradle-like feel to your clothes for extra protection and care during the wash cycles. The Midea InfiniWash washing machine offers something new for every household with a multi-function dynamic super display. The big panel is super sleek, dynamic and biggest in the segment, which tells you all that you want to know about the functioning of the Midea InfiniWash machine. It also gives a crucial information like an indication for remaining wash time, function type, speed and temperature. Easy to manage, change and even read. You can now customize your wash settings with My Cycle program, which stores user settings for future wash cycles. To activate, just press and hold the speed button for 3 seconds. And program will remember your settings for future use. This InfiniWash Midea washing machine comes with a big size door of 480 mm for easy access for bigger clothes and bigger wash loads with lesser effort. The Midea InfiniWash machine comes with a powerful motor with 1400 rpm, which ensures faster rotation, leading to faster drying of clothes. This Midea InfiniWash machine understands different needs and treatment for fabric care, and therefore comes with 16 wash programs that give you a variety of wash options depending on your washing requirement. Each cycle is a different combination of water usage, cycle and clean time to ensure water and energy consumption with care of your clothes. Midea InfiniWash machine is rated in A category by Europe Union Directive, which means that our machines are made to give you the best washing experience with minimum energy consumption. Midea InfiniWash machine is equipped with an antibacterial gasket that helps prevent the formation and growth of mold and bacteria in moisture-prone areas. This ensures that your clothes are getting a hygienic wash. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo, and assured brand warranty for all your appliances.